Well folks, today's DIY project is literally about as simple as it gets when it comes to servicing your four-wheel drive. We're going to be swapping out my dirty old air filter for a nice clean new RYCO. Now you can buy these RYCOs individually, or you can do what I've done and buy yourself a service kit from my mates at Auto One and save a few bucks in the process. This really is a simple job. There's no excuse for not giving this one a crack yourself.
Now, it doesn't matter if you buy yourself the service kit or if you go and get these filters individually. The important thing is that you're buying quality for the conditions that we're used to here in Australia. Now, if you're just starting out your journey in DIY, this is a great little project to start with. It really is a simple one. In my case, all I've got to do is undo these 4 clips that hold the airbox lid on. You'll find that they're nice and tight, and you want them to be that way. You don't want the airbox lid rattling off on corrugations and letting dust in. It needs to be nice and tight. Now I've got the old overflow hose here in the way, so I've got to squeeze past that, squeeze past the aircon line, and have a look at that. That is way overdue for being changed. Take note that that foam ring at the top, that needs to be at the top when I put the new filter back in. Just quick check inside the airbox to make sure there's no debris, no dust. If there is, maybe get a vacuum in there and give it a bit of a tidy up. Now make sure that it is really located correctly. It really can't go wrong, but if you've got a panel filter, make sure the panels are sitting in there nice and neatly as well. You'll make sure that they're nice and tight. You'll know if you've got it in right because the airbox lid will go back on really easy. Again, just reverse the process, do up the clips, and you know what? Bob's your uncle. The job is done. It really is that simple. And just be sure to give that lid a good shake to make sure it's nice and tight.
Wow, well that really was a minute and a half well spent. This thing is well past its use by date. Now, if you're a bit like me and you've been a little bit lazy and it's time to change the filters, why not head into your local Auto One, check out the RYCO range and check out the service kits. Great way to save a few bucks.